Forces out. We have Rayo. Fast to begin. Moving up party out. So now Flytacious. Zalabusab comes next. Tiger is ready. Pure Diva. Seketa. Donnery inside. Is Take Me Tonight. Kiss Me Gently comes next. Seketa moving up in the middle portion. Is Kitan Assure. Don Eduardo's Benz. And trailing the group is number 6. That's Hoy Makati. Into the turn they go. Rayo by a length. Flytacious in second. 7 lengths away in third. Moving up now is Tiger is ready. Down on the inside. Salabusa. Next in line. Pure Diva. Kiss Me Gently. Take Me Tonight. Kitan Assure. Don Eduardo's Best. Seketa and Hoy Makati. And nearing the partner Rayo. Flytacious fighting it out for the lead. Tiger is ready. Now coming closer in third. Zalabusa remains in fourth. Moving up on the outside now is Kitan Assure. And it's still Rayo. Moving up Flytacious. Tiger is ready. As they come down the last 200. Rayo by Oralenka. Tiger is ready now. Moving up on the outside. Flytacious. Don Eduardo's Best. But it's still Rayo by about 4 lengths. Moving up by Don Eduardo's Best. And finally Rayo. Second close. Tiger is ready. Don Eduardo's Best. Then comes Flytacious. Salabusa. Kitan Assure.